1000 inventions that changed the world. Stocking frame. The stocking frame holds a significant place in the history of textile manufacturing, particularly in the production of stockings and other knitted garments. It represents a pivotal moment in the industrialization of textile production, revolutionizing the way knitwear was manufactured and paving the way for modern knitting machinery. Let's explore the historical perspective of the stocking frame. Origins and early development. The stocking frame originated in the latter part of the 16th century in England, during the early stages of the Industrial Revolution. It was invented by the Reverend William Lee around 1589 in Nottinghamshire. Lee, a clergyman and skilled knitter, sought to mechanize the process of knitting stockings to increase productivity and address the growing demand for knitted garments. The first stocking frame, Lee's invention, was a manually operated knitting machine that featured a series of latch needles arranged in a circular frame. The operator, known as a frame worker or stockinger, manipulated the needles to create intricate knit stitches, replicating the hand knitting process but with greater speed and consistency. The stocking frame allowed for the production of high-quality stockings and other knitted goods on a scale previously unimaginable. It quickly gained popularity among textile manufacturers and entrepreneurs seeking to capitalize on the burgeoning market for knitted apparel. Industrialization and expansion. Throughout the 17th and 18th centuries, the stocking frame underwent several improvements and modifications to enhance its efficiency and versatility. Innovations such as the incorporation of ribbing attachments, automatic feed mechanisms, and multiple needle beds increased the speed and complexity of knitting operations. The stocking frame played a crucial role in the growth of the knitting industry in England and other European countries. Entire communities, particularly in the Midlands and northern regions of England, became centres of stocking frame production, with skilled artisans and workers operating numerous frames in small workshops or domestic settings. Impact on society and economy. The stocking frame had a profound impact on society and the economy during the Industrial Revolution. It transformed the production of knitted textiles from a cottage industry carried out by individual artisans into a mechanized manufacturing process conducted on a larger scale. The widespread adoption of stocking frames led to the concentration of textile production in urban centers and the emergence of factory-based manufacturing systems. It also contributed to the rise of the factory system and the development of industrial capitalism, as entrepreneurs invested in machinery and infrastructure to capitalize on the growing demand for knitted goods. Challenges and resistance. Despite its many benefits, the stocking frame also faced challenges and resistance from various quarters. Luddite movements, named after the fictional figure Ned Ludd, emerged in the early 19th century as frame workers and other textile workers protested against the introduction of labor-saving machinery, including stocking frames. The Luddites feared that the adoption of machinery would lead to unemployment, lower wages, and deteriorating working conditions. Ultimately, advancements in knitting technology and the transition to more sophisticated knitting machinery, such as circular knitting machines and automated looms, gradually rendered the stocking frame obsolete. However, its legacy lives on in the history of textile manufacturing, representing a pivotal moment in the mechanization and industrialization of the knitting industry. In conclusion, the stocking frame played a crucial role in the history of textile manufacturing, revolutionizing the production of knitted garments and contributing to the rise of industrial capitalism during the Industrial Revolution. Its development and widespread adoption reshaped the textile industry and transformed the way knitwear was produced, leaving a lasting legacy in the annals of industrial history.